Good morning, everyone. Today, me and my mate Alex are going to be doing a little bit of a day trip. Haven't done a day trip for a while. It used to be all I used to do, but now, do a lot more camping. So I thought we'll change up a little bit, do a bit of a day trip, less organising, and just enjoy the day a little bit. We're going to a place we wanted. The suggestion from Alex was to go up to Cape Tribulation. I don't think I've really ever been up there before, so I figured, well, let's have a look on wiki camps and see what's up there. And found a little beach up there called My All Beach. I think it's MYALL. So set that as a coordinates, and we'll see what it looks like when we get there. Plan is we'll just drive there, have a little bit of lunch, and then drive on back. I've got the Prado all loaded up, ready to go. As you can see, it's all nice and clean now. I couldn't say the same about that maybe about a week ago. It was in a bit of a state, but now it's looking really good, and all underbody protection and stuff as well now. In terms of what I'm taking with me today, I'll be taking just a camp chair, just a few little pieces of towel just in case go for a swim or something, and also in my little box that I have in here, I've got first aid kit, tripods, and some extra water and some things like that, paper towel, toilet paper, because you never know. In the new drawer setup that I have here, guys, I've got some tools. So I've got all my King Chrome stuff and a King Chrome roll, which has just got some of my basic tools and that in there, and I've just got some of my spare bolts and that as well, and just some of the stuff that I don't really use very often. I just keep in the back there. So that's kind of how the setup's looking at the moment. In the fridge slide, or on the fridge slide I should say, and in the fridge, I have got a few things. I've got just some Coke and stuff, just to enjoy some nice refreshing beverages when we get to where we're going, and I'm going to be making some ham sandwiches as well. So this is a really nice ham for anyone that cares, but it's pretty nice. It's the nicest one I've found, and so that's kind of the plan at the moment. And we'll get to My All Beach. We'll kind of have a bit of a chill day and make up some sandwiches and just kind of hang out. Should be pretty interesting. They've got, we'll be going over a river ferry and stuff, which I haven't done in this car before. And if I did do it in the past, it would have been when I was really, really young. So again, something that should be pretty interesting. And so it should be a good day. Don't know how much filming I'm going to get done, but anyway, we'll see what happens. So I guess I'll see you guys at My All Beach. I haven't shown Alex my new setup yet, so we'll see what he has to say about that. So we'll see if we can catch his reaction on camera as well. I mean, classic Collins. He shows up 15 minutes late, and then he's like, all right, we gotta go, let's roll. And then there he is now. Just cruising. Have a nice trip, Alex. Enjoy it without me.
See ya.
Come over here and have a look at my little setup.
Hey. Oh, fridge slide.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice. And a drawer.
And a drawer.
When did you pick that up?
Like 2 days ago.
Did you?
Yeah.
No problem.
BCF.
Is it just strapped in there, is it?
Yep.
2 tie down points?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, look at that.
How much was that?
$300.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Look at that. And then
Oh.
the drawer. Camera gear's gonna go here.
Yeah, nice.
Eventually.
Yeah.
He loves it. Look at him.
Yeah.
Just a little cooking segment.
Oh, little cook up.
Little cook up. Why not?
So mate, check these new fry pans I got yesterday.
Hang on. I have a trick for this. Watch this. Hang on. can't open it because it's
Ah.
Oh no, I can. There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Here we go. Yes, there you go.
Check these out, mate.
Oh, nice.
2 of them, $40 BCF.
How much?
$40 both.
They look pretty good quality.
Yeah.
Are they the all for adventure ones?
Wanderer.
Oh, jeez.
And that just-
Oh, and it's got a little thing on there too.
Bang.
Nice.
Yeah. I was like, $40 on fry pans I can buy Kmart for $5.
Absolutely.
You bet.
What kind of stupid question is that?
I was in there looking for like a new cutlery set, but I bought like these stainless steel ones for $20.
I was gonna get them too.
Yeah. I was like, and then I walked past. I went to Stockland. I walked past like one of the kitchen places,
Yeah.
and they cutlery on sale for like $2 each. I was like, it's not camping.
What
cutlery.
idiot would buy $2 thing? It's not camping unless everything is 10 times the price.
Yeah. It came with a can opener as well, so I was like, oh, anyway. So I spent $60.
An opener.
A
Who
BCF.
even uses camp openers? Use that camp openers.
I have no idea.
Oh, you had them in the freezer and
Yeah, then I was putting them back in the cooler.
that'd go well with a tomato sauce slushy, as we have seen from previous
There you go.
episodes.
As you can see in your dry.
Oh, now chili sauce.
Spicy red.
I think spicy red sauce does
Pretty
belong. I think it belongs in the cupboard.
Yeah, well, that's where
What
it
is
goes.
it? It probably I don't think many people would enjoy that.
Nah,
That
spice, yeah.
cold. I don't know. Oh well,
Spice.
that's a longer conversation for our next camping video.
I can wait.
Someone commented on the last one and they said, you know, it's going to be a good video when when they talk about tomato sauce, cupboard versus fridge for 14 minutes.
I don't really want to watch it because I'd already sort of like.
You've already lived it.
Yeah, I'd already talked about it, so I sort of skipped past it
Yeah,
to see what else it was, and I sort of went back and watched it a little bit.
I made Mum sit through the whole thing. Nice little drive that. Didn't
Yeah.
feel like 2 hours. It was
Nah,
kind of broken up pretty well.
Yeah, by the time, like, you get along the coast, and then you go through Mossburn, and then wait for the ferry, and then.
And then the 400 hours of traffic works.
I mean, it's a fair way from the ferry to here. It's like 50 k's.
60 k's, 50
Yeah.
k's. All right. Now, if you're wondering if I can just leave this out while I'm working here, the answer is yes.
It's a.
The answer is.
Like,
Oh, I was like, I hope the battery runs out at any time. All right, Alex, here we are again. We have another cooking check. What do we got going on
Well,
here?
same
Last time was so funny. You're like, I've got heaps, mate, heaps. I've got some sausages and some pepper steak,
Well,
and
I've
that
gone,
was
I've
it.
gone less this time. I've just gone sausages this time.
Just
so.
goes like keeping it simple.
Yeah, a couple
Okay.
of herb garlic sausages.
Oh,
So,
very nice.
on the new fry pan.
Very
So-
classy. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be focusing on here. Oh, the new fire pan.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
New fry pan. So
It's got the detachable handle.
yeah, for safety.
Very nice.
But easy. I mean, this one's so good.
Oh yeah, I'm
Just whip
gonna
it out.
get one. Have to.
Like,
And what are you just going to have 2 sausages, Alex?
Yeah.
What else? That's it.
on some bread.
On some bread. Oh,
With
okay.
some sauce.
Some
That's
sauce.
in my pantry.
Looks like you got a few little nummy nums in here.
Yeah.
Very
For
nice.
dessert.
Very nice.
But,
Got a bit of bread there.
Yeah, bit of bread, bit of sauce. So
Bread and sauce. That's it. No vegetables.
anyway, like I said, nice and easy.
Nice and simple.
Yeah.
Very
just
good.
the way to do it.
All right, come over to my setup here. We got a little bit going on. Yeah, come on down. Already.
It's like a bar.
Oh, it is. That's the idea, isn't
Yeah.
it? I was like, what can I get you
Yeah.
today, sir? Oh, so I just made up myself a nice little sandwich, mate. Nice little sandwich. I got a little bit of ham. That's good ham. Ham off the bone if you want it.
It looks like it, yeah.
Very nice. I've been smashing that lately.
Bit of
A
lettuce.
little bit of lettuce, tomato sauce.
Nice sauce.
That's about it. Keep it nice and simple.
Yeah,
Yep, 2 sangers.
easy.
It's the only way to do it.
Yeah,
Using the new drawer setup today.
I like that.
Oh yeah, it's so
That's
good.
very impressive.
I love it.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
I think the fridge has been moving around a little bit, making a bit of noise, but
Yeah,
it's going to happen until I get it all sorted out.
yeah.
All right, time to have some food, and then we're going
Let's
to check
get
out the
into it.
beach. Let's do it.
Yeah.